And I asked from the very beginning that which was necessary for us to make a sensible and a helpful contribution to this process. What is the Commission's interpretation of the ruling? What does the Commission see as the immediate implications of that ruling to the electoral process? In what way or ways will the IEBC respond to those implications? Then, what does the IEBC see as our role as stakeholders in what your interpretation and what your steps are going to be, so that then we can address ourselves specifically to those roles that you see as belonging to us as stakeholders? Mr. Chairman, without that kind of guidance, what you get is what you have had here, that everybody comes with their own proposals, they come with their own ideas, they come with their own memoranda. At the end of the day, I am not sure that what is being presented here is what you wanted, because you haven't actually told us what is your position on these issues so that we can respond to them. And that is why some people are suspecting that this is the same meeting that we had the previous time at the Intercont, where it was just what somebody is worried. It was a talk shop. Yeah, it was a talk shop, and then here we are in another talk shop. We don't know what this information is going to be done, is going to be used to do. So, Mr. Chairman, there's a sense in which we were called for a meeting to which up to now, we don't know what our role was supposed to be, because that has not been explained to us, with all due respect, sir.
Yeah, I think we need to get somewhere.
Just one proposal,
yes.
Mr. Chairman. I was going to propose that the reason why we are here is that there has been a failure of consultation that has led to a court process. That's why we have in this consultation. So my advice is this. Probably, you may consider retiring and also allowing us time, if you can sit as representative of political parties, to negotiate and discuss some of these issues. You also come up with a proposal to us on how you intend to drive this process. We may consult on our own, and we tell you, this is our proposal, what you should consider. When we meet, you tell us what your proposal is. It may be the same as the proposal that we have, and we drive this process forward. Senator Orengo said something which I want to amplify. We are not late. We have sufficient time to, in a way that accords to the principles of the Constitution, print and deliver these ballots across the country.
Yeah, there's a general feeling that all the candidates consult. That is a proposal from the NASA team. Okay. So in that case, then...
Bismillah, that's also a prayer. Chair, I think you were doing very well before our brother from NASA spoke. We're doing very well. There is no way under the Constitution we, the political parties, will take your function. The function we are here is just a consultation. But ultimately, the law provides that that is a function of the Commission. And let us not cheat you. There's no forum we have where we consult. And we have no time to consult. So I think it's good to be very honest. I mean, until our brother spoke, we were doing very well. We have given you our submission, varied submission, some written, some oral. I think from there, it's the Commission having fulfilled that function of consultation, you go and do what the law provides. And us, we go and wait an information from the Commission. So I think let's not do more. From our side, we have done our submission. We have listened to our colleague's submission. I'm sure the document even Honorable Orengo gave is a public document. We will get it. You can share with us. He's our colleague. So I think now we have what brought us here. We have all given our varied, diverse arguments. As now, I think for the Commission to retreat and do what it's supposed to do under the law.
Just to add on what my colleague Honorable Dwabre has said, I just want to make just one rider on the last statement by the speaker from NASA. They say, according to them, we are not late. According to Jubilee, and we are basing our statement on international best practice on election management, the time doesn't look good. That's our view, respectively.
Yes, Jeanette, after you, we want to wrap up the meeting.
Will you allow me, Chair?
Yeah, go ahead and pass over to Jeanette after that. Yeah.
Thank you, Chair. I want to actually underscore what Mr. Dwale has said. This meeting didn't have a clear agenda, which is what many people are saying. But maybe that is a good thing, because what it has done, it has allowed people to vent. You've heard things, some of which would not have come out. And I just want to suggest, Mr. Chairman, if I were to make a motion, that if there's any other pressing comment that has not been made, that somebody make it, but otherwise you have heard it, all of us. Take this away. It's your mandate. And may God be with you as you execute what is a very sensitive issue at this moment.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, I have just two things to add. One, when we came here, Chair, we were coming to hear the position of IEBC on this matter. But so far, nothing has come out. Secondly, Chair, should not be construed, this meeting, to mean public participation. Don't file documents in the appeal court saying that you have conducted public participation and people came here, they talked. We came here to present the interest of the presidential candidate and one coalition. We are not representing the interest of the public in this meeting. That should be clarified. Because I have seen documents filed in court that we met so-and-so, and he has agreed this company should be given this tender. It should not happen again. Lastly, Chair, us as NASA, we have given what we thought in writing, and Senator, our leader, has spoken about it. It looks like Jubilee came here with no plan. They're just talking and talking.
Please don't go there.
Thank you so much.
No. That is out of order. Yeah, we have heard all of you. Excuse me. Yeah, I want to thank all of you, gentlemen and ladies who are in the room, the observers, the political party representatives, registered political parties. We have heard you. The reason why we call for this meeting is purely for consultation. It's a consultative meeting. Jeanette, we have an idea, although the legal framework is not clear as to what the public is, but you are the presidential candidate. This is your election as for presidential purposes. So your views are very important, whether oral, whether written. We shall take those views into our boardroom. We are going to retreat. We shall discuss. We shall also engage other stakeholders, other than the political leaders. There are other stakeholders out here. And then we shall come out and tell the country the way forward as far as this matter is concerned. So this is purely consultation, and it should not be viewed in any other way. As far as I'm concerned, your views, I've enumerated them, and we shall consider each and every aspect of it. So I want to thank you for coming for this meeting, and I wish you the very best in your campaigns. Please campaign peacefully, and know that this country belongs to all of us. Thank you.
Na mtazamaji, popote unapoendelea kupokea taarifa za KTN News, ni saa 10 saa hizi saa za Afrika ya Mashariki, tuseme saa 10:15 saa za Afrika ya Mashariki. Kinachoendelea hivi sasa, mtazamaji, ni kikao ambacho kimekamilika kati ya wasimamizi wakuu ambao ni makamishna katika tume ya uchaguzi na mipaka nchini IEBC, na upande wa wasimamizi kupitia wawaniaji wa urais kutoka maeneo ama kutoka vyama mbalimbali ambao walikuwa hapo. Kuna wale ambao walikuwa na kuna wale ambao waliweza kutuma watu ambao watakao wakilisha kwenye mkutano huu muhimu ambao ulitangazwa hapo siku ya juzi, ambapo tume ya IEBC ilitangaza kwamba itakutana na viongozi hao katika kuhakikisha kwamba wanafuata mwelekeo unaotajika, hasa baada ya mahakama kuu kuamuru tume ya IEBC siku ya Ijumaa wakati wa jioni kwamba isimamishe uchapishaji wa makaratasi kumradhi za kupigia kura nafasi ya urais. Kumekuwa na hali ya utata hususan mpaka mwendo wa adhuhuri ya leo, ambapo upande wa Jubilee wameweza kujitokeza na kusema kwamba sasa wao pia watawasilisha kesi ya kupinga uamuzi huo wakiwa na sababu zao, lakini itakuwa ni bado wenye kufuatilia taarifa hii. Hivyo basi ndio kikao hicho ambacho kilikuwa kimeratibiwa kufanyika mwendo wa saa 8 hii leo kilianza katika hoteli moja hapa jijini Nairobi, na kusikia kutoka kwa vyama vyote ambavyo viliweza kuwakilishwa, na tutakuwa ni wenye kufuatilia taarifa hizi. Mtazamaji popote ulipo, na kusalimu alasiri njema nikitumai kwamba ubuheri wa afya. Karibu kwenye taarifa za Mbiu ya KTN, ambapo tutakuwa ni wenye kuletea taarifa hizi, taarifa ambazo zimeweza kuchipuka tukifuatilia kampeni zinazoendelea, na vile vile mdahalo ama mahojiano hapa studio kuhusiana na uamuzi ambao ulitolewa, na vile vile kikao hiki ambacho kimefanyika mapema hii leo wakati wa dhuhuri hadi hivi sasa alasiri imeingia. Mimi naitwa Ali Manzu nikukaribisha kwenye taarifa za Mbiu ya KTN, lakini nitarudi kwenye muda usiokuwa mrefu tuendelee na habari zaidi. Endelea kuwa nasi.
This is KTN News. Nairobi City County has extended the 100% waiver on penalties on outstanding land rates to defaulters up to 15th July. Property owners within Nairobi are encouraged to take advantage of this waiver and pay within the extended period.